In this video, we are going to review best GoPro head strap mounts available in the current market. After reviewing 20 GoPro head strap mounts and interviewing 50 users. Number 1. Smart ReHead strap mount for GoPro. The Smart kit is one of the most popular models in our list, and for a good reason. It is extremely affordable and requires almost no expertise to install or take it off. The model can be used for a wide range of GoPro cameras and a decent selection of activities. It comes with an anti-slip interior and several other useful features and accessories. The head strap mounts listed in our top 10 might seem similar to a certain degree, but the truth is that they are quite different with regards to how they can be used. Some models include additional accessories, but for the most part, they are all affordable. Our top 10 includes a wide selection of models and designs, making it easy for anyone to find a suitable. Number 2. GoPro head strap mount. The GoPro head strap was designed to be used with their cameras. It is a relatively affordable model that offers just enough functionality. The model works well with anything that is not considered a high-impact activity. To secure the camera in place, the manufacturers included a simple case that gets mounted onto the strap. It also makes the camera waterproof, thus. Number 3. Ranger's head strap mount for GoPro. The Ranger's head strap mount for GoPro cameras is a great budget option. The model comes with soft straps made of textile material with rubber on the interior that prevent it from slipping. The buckles are made of durable polycarbonate, while the nylon straps will ensure a comfortable experience. It is not recommended for high-impact activities. Number 4. Wild US head harness mount strap. Wild US made an excellent head mount for GoPro cameras. It is an affordable harness that comes with a rather familiar design, but a much more secure way to prevent the mount to slip off. It actually comes with an additional strap that goes beneath the chin to keep it tight on the head. The model can be used for most popular activities and sports, even high-impact ones, and comes with straps made of nylon that are. Number 5. Wakas GoPro head mount. The Wakas GoPro head mount is one of the most affordable models in our list, and probably the most simple one. It has a straightforward design with a long strap that can be attached to a helmet. Due to the way it secures onto the helm, the model can be used to capture shots of even high-impact activities. The model fits.